everyone, Kelly Shaffner here. Welcome to my channel, guys. Today I have a gigantic ThredUp Rescue box. This box is filled with shoes. It's really heavy too, and this box came from Pennsylvania. So fingers crossed it's a good box. It's been sitting in my office for a few weeks. I ordered this several weeks ago and honestly just did not make time to open it up. And to be honest with you, I'm scared to open this box up. I have not been lucky with my ThredUp Rescue boxes lately. Fingers crossed, guys. Come on, everyone needs to be pulling for me here. This box has 15 pairs of shoes that I am hoping will be great and I can sell them in my Poshmark closet. I've had pretty good luck with shoes and handbags, the rescues that I've received from ThredUp. The clothing, not so much. I mean, I have received a few great pieces from ThredUp, but overall my experience with the clothing has been less than average. So, okay, let's get into this box. This is a $90 box from Pennsylvania. I did have some credit, and thank you to everyone that has used my ThredUp link. You guys are awesome, and I do have a link. If you've never shopped with ThredUp before, there is a link in the description box. You can get $10 off your first purchase. Okay, here's the knife. I want to show you. I'm going to put this on the floor because it is super duper heavy. So hopefully that means it's filled with boots, right? Right? That's what we want. Some fall and winter, you know, like season appropriate shoes that people are dying to buy. What does it say? Counted and verified. Okay, so it should all be there. Here is what the inside of the box looks like. See some rubber boots. Oh, let me see if I can show you. Let me drop the knife. Drop the sharp object. Oh, let's pull it off. Marc Jacob boots on top. This is what the box looks like. What do you think? First impressions. I don't know. I'm going to put it down on the floor. Okay, here are the Marc Jacob boots that were kind of right on top. They're pretty heavy. They're a size 40, and they have been worn. There's some use to them. Now, I hear the trick with these is to wash them with olive oil. They are a little dirty, so they're going to need a good scrubbing, but they look like they're in pretty good shape. Yeah, I think they're in decent shape. This is what the heels look like. The boots look like. So I'm pleased with the size, too. A size 40 is a great size that I'm happy to add to my closet. Okay, and the next pair is, these are my college colors. These are Adidas, and these are a size 10. They are male. These are men's size 10. What does that equate to in women's? Because I prefer Adidas and Nike. So many of the sports brand. Oh, look, that's new without tags. But I mean, this could be worn by a woman, and I see a rock in the shoe. So yeah, I don't know if they're brand new, but they look brand new. I would prefer to sell these in the women's market. I normally do. If I have unisex pair of shoes or piece of clothing, I like to list it in my women's closet because that's where I have the majority of my listings. Yeah, you can see, if you can see that, it looks like it's a little worn inside. I mean, who would wear their shoes and leave the tag on? I don't know, but yeah, I'm happy to have these. Adidas do pretty good, I guess. Okay, the next pair, I love this. Right, just style alone. These are velvet velour sneakers, a bit of a platform there. They're dirty, so they do need a scrubbing, but it looks like it's just the outsole that needs a little scrub. This is what the other one looks like, and the brand is Tretorn. I am not familiar with this brand. Do you know this brand? Tell me it's something awesome. And do we have a size? I cannot see the size, but they look to be about a size 7. But yeah, I would rock these sneakers all day long because I love textured shoes. So hopefully these will do great. They even have velvet laces. I mean, does it get any better? I like these. So hopefully these are good. All right, the next pair is a pair of booties. And okay, these appear to be relatively new. There is a price tag. These are a size 7 French Connection. And these are a blue suede booty. And I guess they're just a pull-on style, but they also have this little accent, this kind of band. Is that a bow? I can't tell. Let me put them together. Okay, yeah, that little bow detail. High heel, and the heel is in perfect shape. Yeah, these have never been worn. Someone bought these and, oh, maybe, is that a little dust? Okay, I'm looking at the tips and they look like they're dusty, but nothing that a suede brush can't get off. I like selling French Connection. I think French Connection was all the rage several years ago, but there's still people that love it, and brand new French Connection, I'll take it. Okay, these are glamorous sandals, espadrille, and look at, these are like a gold lame with a, are we broken there? Oh, no. Okay, it's got a fringy bit right there and a buckle, all gold. And these are by Maypol, made in Spain, a size 38. So these have been worn just a little bit. These are my size. You guys know I'm going to need to give these a spin and decide if they should be sold. I love these, and there's no toe strap, so that fits perfectly into my world. I think these are really cute, but again, this is a brand I'm not familiar with, so I don't have any idea how these will resell, but they're in great shape and I like them. And I like these too. Oh my gosh. Okay, yeah, I like these. I like the brand. I like selling this brand. First of all, look at them. They look like a hammered metallic, and these are Katy Perry. And Katy Perry does well for me. I mean, it doesn't bring me a whole lot of money, but I think people like the Katy Perry line. I like these. What size? These are little, I think. And I don't see a size. It's probably here somewhere. Oh, there it is. These are a size 5. I knew they were little. These, I have a niece that is a size 5. So I might see if she likes these, but I sure like these. I wish I could put my big foot in these. Yeah, really pretty, in great shape. That's what the bottoms look like. So, okay, I like these. Okay. I feel like someone packed this box for me because there's a lot of shoes that are really my style, like these. I would wear these shoes. Now, they're not a great brand. They are Dr. Scholl's original collection, but they are a suede, just a bit of a wedge, maybe a 1-inch block or, stacked wood wedge, and almost a pointy toe there with a little bit of stud detail. Very simple, and I bet they're comfortable. I have never worn Dr. Scholl's. I probably need to try these. They're they're an 8.5. I can wear an 8.5. I'm a size 8. I'm gonna give these a spin. Yeah, there's a lot of good shoes in this box. Okay, and these I love too. These, I don't know. Okay, look at them. Look at this boot. So this is all elastic goring right here, and the rest, it's a really deep blue. And oh my gosh, these are super cute. They look like new. You can see on the bottom, that's Franco Sarto there. I like these a lot. I don't see a size in them. They look too small for me. I'm guessing these are probably a size 7. Let's look at this one. Again, great shape. Is this a rain boot? I mean, I don't know. I don't know if a rain boot would have all the elastic goring in it, but these are my style. I love these. I would wear these, but I can tell by looking at them, they're too small for me. Franco Sarto does okay for me, so happy to add these. All right, the next pair, first impression. Okay, I'm not real excited about these. I mean, they might be nice, sensible shoe to wear to like a wedding. They're they're a very light pink color. That's actually kind of pretty. It would look really pretty on your foot, right? That dangling jewels off your foot. A little tarnished, I would say. There's crystals and pearls. These just look dated to me. They're a wedge, and the brand is Senda. let me show you, Senda, or you can see it on the back here, Senda. This $235. And then there's also on the strap here, these are leather, but there's that number on the strap. I don't really know how to read these. I'm going to have to do a little research. I hope these are something great, but I have never heard of these. And there's some damage on them. Not much. I mean, they're still wearable, but okay. We'll see. We'll see about these. I really don't know what to think of them. Now, these shoes, I like the style, but I can already tell they're a cheap shoe because they came with this. So they weren't even a boxed shoe, and I'm right. These are Time and True, but they are a 6 wide. Yeah, they look like, although they have tags on them, they look like they had a little wear. Maybe they were tried on in store. They're cute though. They're cute as can be. They are kind of a laser cut, and they do, that's a high heel, or you know what I mean. It's got the lift inside, and I actually bought some of these for myself a year and a half ago from Walmart on sale. I think I paid $9 for them. So even though these are a really great size because they're unusual, a 6 wide, that should be a good size. They're really not going to bring a bunch of money, but I will list these. I will wipe off the bottoms of these and I'll list them because they're brand new, and I have sold some stuff from Walmart, so I'm not opposed to giving it a try. All right, the next pair of shoes looks like this. And do you see right here? This is the first thing that I'm noticing on these shoes. And actually what I think the soles have been taken off. That does not look like the sole that belongs on these shoes. I might be wrong, but I think I'm right. I think that the actual bottoms of these shoes is gone and needs to be replaced, and I don't know if I'll sell them as is. These are Michael Kors, and I don't know, I don't see a size right off. So that appears to be the only issue with these shoes. And I could take them to a cobbler and have a cobbler just put that sole back on. They would just need to glue the sole, and I don't think I will. I don't even think I'll sell these as is. I think this is going to be a donate for me. I don't know. What would you do with these? Would you sell them as is? They are definitely damaged, and that's pretty significant damage not to have the sole on them. Other than that, they look great, but no. Ooh, okay, so fair warning, these are really dirty. I think they're dirty. Yeah, they're pretty gross. Look at them though. Are these gorgeous? Oh. That is significant right there. That's a scuff. I don't know if that's going to come out. That is really disappointing because these are J. Crew. Okay, can you see it? J. Crew. And yeah, dirty J. Crew, but they are a mustard suede. There is some damage to the heels as well. Oh, that's a bummer. These are really cute. These are shoes I would wear. They're too small for me. These are a 7.5. I will take my suede eraser and see if I can do anything with that, but it's pretty big and it probably will not come clean. If that will come clean, these will be sellable because the inside is just a wipe down, but okay, bummer. Now this next pair, I love them. They're a great brand as well, but let's just take a moment to look at this beautiful shoe. Look at how pretty this is. This is definitely a special occasion shoe, and I don't know about you, but my special occasion shoes are not moving. And you know what? I am not wearing any of my personal special occasion shoes lately because, let's face it, there's just nowhere to wear them. But look at this shoe. That's a pretty high heel. I'm gonna say close to 5 inches, but look at it's perfect. It's so beautiful. This is satin lined and in perfect shape. Now, this is what the front of the shoe looks like. And did you see the brand? This is Stuart Weitzman. This does have a square toe on it, and they are in beautiful shape. They've been worn, you can see that, but they are in fabulous shape. All of the jewels are there. This one looks great, and size 9. Okay, this one needs a little shaping, and that's easy enough to do, but look at these shoes. Gorgeous. Okay, do you think these are gorgeous? Or yeah, I love the bling and the glam, and I think these are great. And I love Stuart Weitzman, especially the more contemporary styles, which I feel like this is. Okay, so yeah, this one makes me very, very happy. These shoes are really cute, but they look like they might be a little damaged. So this is what they look like. They're a sneaker, and they're actually they're like a basket weave, but check out the rainbow basket on the front. And these are Superga. This is a brand I own, I love. Look at these. They have some damage on the straw right there. Can you see that? And they're dirty, but that's easy enough to clean. But I don't know about that damage. That is definitely going to bring down the value of the shoes. And I don't know, I feel like these shoes we're just waiting to be damaged like that, being made out of this like basket. I mean, it's not like jute. This is actually like straw tennis shoes. I've got them if you want them. And I think these are a size 7, right? Yeah, size 7 straw Supergas with a little rainbow basket weave. They're super cute. Okay guys, this is the final piece in my box, and they're really big. They're a knee boot, and they are leather. I can tell that they are leather. So they've got the strap, that stirrup detail there. Are these women's? What? I don't know. What? These Fry. These are Fry boots, size 11. Can you see that? Okay. Where is the Fry symbol? There it is. Okay, it's so very subtle. Can you see it right there? There it is. Okay, so this really makes the box. It's a nice size too. I like to add larger sizes to my closet. These are beautiful. And let's see what they look like. There appears to be like no damage on them. They do zip up the back. And these just have a moto vibe to them, don't you think? I'm very, very happy to have these. I think this box was pretty good. I can't believe I waited this long to open it. I honestly was trying to brace myself because I didn't expect it to be this good. Now, will I make my money back on this box? Absolutely. I mean, there's some really great shoes in here. The Fry boots were... I'll make my money back on the sale of those Fry boots, I suspect. And there's some other fun shoes in here that I would be happy to add to my closet. I'm really happy to add them to my Poshmark closet because some of them are not my size. And yes, guys, I keep shoes. I collect shoes from these mystery boxes for my personal closet. Yeah, this is mainly my personal closet. Some of these shoes are for sale in my Poshmark closet. Guys, I always link my Poshmark closet in the description box below. If you want to take a look at it, that would be awesome. Thank you so much for joining me today. Please let me know in the comments what you think of this box, and let me know if you have any information about those brands that I was not familiar with. I always appreciate your help. You guys are awesome. Hey, subscribe if you haven't done so already. I would love to see you in a future video. And until we meet again, blessings to all of you. Did I say thumbs up? I meant to. Please give the video a thumbs up, and I'll see you next time. Blessings.